Cow burps are heating up the planet, but seaweed might be the ultimate fix. Cows are a major source of protein for millions of people, but they also contribute to more than a quarter of global methane emissions. Scientists have recently discovered that by feeding cattle seaweed, they can cut back on these methane emissions by almost 40%. Methane traps way more heat after it's first emitted into the atmosphere than carbon dioxide, and cows make a lot of methane. This is because when cows digest plants, microbes in their stomachs naturally create methane, which is then released through burps. But when red seaweed was added to their diet, it stopped these methane-making microbes, cutting down methane production significantly. Researchers have done similar experiments with seaweed on other cows to similar emission-cutting results. This is just the latest study aimed at making the cattle industry more sustainable.